Hey guys, today, let's learn how to change name on your Facebook page. So if you guys want to go ahead and change the name of your preferred Facebook page, but you don't necessarily know how to do that, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to just go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And what I want you to do is to switch their profile of your Facebook page. So just tap on this option on your Facebook account and then switch to this profile on your Facebook page. Now, once that is done, what we need to do from here is to go ahead over in our page settings. So just tap on your menus over here. Tap on your settings on the lower part of the screen. On settings and privacy. Tap on settings right there. And let's try to access that work page settings. Now, we should see the option to view our name over here. And if you want to go ahead and change that, all we need to do is just edit our name right here. Tap on review, change, and then save the settings. And that's how you guys could easily go ahead and change your page name on your Facebook page. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.